monkey swings so high, he flips and flops up in the sky. He laughs and shouts with so much fun. Now we've counted number one. Or two pink pigs roll in the dirt. They snort and squeal in muddy shirts. Oink, oink. They splash and play the whole day through. Now we've counted 1 and 2. Or 3 green frogs go ribbit loud, jumping high and feeling proud. Ribbit, ribbit. They land with splashes 1, 2, 3. Such fun in the pond, don't you see? 4 red birds fly through the sky, flap their wings as they zoom by. They chirp a song and soar some more. Flapping fast, we count to 4. 5 shy turtles peek their heads, hiding slow in their little beds. Peekaboo! They look around and take a dive. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 5. 6 buzzing bees zip through the air, spreading honey everywhere. They hum and dance such busy tricks. Let's buzz along and count to 6. 7 kittens chase a ball, bouncing gently down the hall. They pounce and play from dawn till heaven. Furry fun, now that's 7. 8 brown cows all chew their hay, mooing softly through the day. They line up straight beside the gate. Count with me, we're up to 8. Or 9 white ducks waddle in a row, quacking aloud as on they go. Quack, quack. They dip and dive in a curvy line. Fluffy friends, we now count 9. Or 10 bright stars light up the night, twinkling softly